Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Communication technology has become an essential part of our daily life. Whether we are browsing the internet, making video calls, sending messages or watching live television, we rely on fast and reliable communication system. One of the most important technologies that makes these activities possible is optical fiber. Unlike traditional copper cable that transmit electrical signal, optical fiber use light to transmit the information. Because of its ability to provide high-speed transition, large bandwidth, and low signal loss, optical fiber has become the backbone of the modern telecommunication and broadcasting system worldwide. In this presentation, we will explore what optical fiber and its application in telecommunication and broadcasting. Before discussing its application, let us first understand what optical fiber is. Optical fiber is a thin strand made from glass or plastics that transmit information using light signal. It is designed to carry a large amount of data over long distance at very high speed. An optical fiber consists of the three main components: the core, the cladding, and the protective coating. The core carries the light signal, the cladding keeps the light confined within the core, and the protective coating protects the fiber from damage. The operation of optical fiber is based on a principle called total internal reflection. This occurs when light is reflected back into the core instead of escaping through the cladding. As a result, the light remains trapped inside the fiber and can travel long distance with little signal loss. This principle can be described by Snell's law, which explains how light behaves when passing between the different media. Because of this unique property, optical fiber is able to transmit information quickly, efficiently, and reliable.
Alright, so my name is Luqman, Nulhakim, and Rosli, and I will explain about applications in telecommunication. So telecommunication refers to the transmissions of information over long distances using technologies such as telephone networks, internet systems, and satellites. In modern telecommunications, optical fiber plays a crucial role because it can transmit large amounts of data using light signals at a very high speed. Broadcasting, on the other hand, involves sending audio, video, or even data from one source to large audience simultaneously, such as televisions and online streaming services. Optical fiber supports both telecommunications and even broadcasting by providing fast and reliable communications. Starting with the main applications, the first one, internet communication. Optical fiber is widely used to provide high-speed internet connections for homes, businesses, universities, and government institutions. Because fiber optics cables can carry huge amounts of data, users can enjoy faster downloads, smoother video streaming, and also better online communication. A good example in Malaysia is Telekom's Malaysia's High-Speed Broadband Project, or HSBB, which uses optical fiber infrastructure to provide unified broadband services throughout the country. So why is optical fiber preferred for internet communications? First, it provides much faster internet speeds compared to the traditional copper cables. Second, it offers higher bandwidth, which means more data can be transmitted at the same time. Third, the connection is more stable and less affected by interference. And finally, optical fiber provides lower latency, which is important for activities such as online gaming, video conferencing, and also cloud computing. Another important application is in telephone networks. Modern telephone systems rely heavily on optical fiber to transmit voice signals between cities and also countries. In the past, copper cables were commonly used, but optical fiber has largely replaced them because it can carry much more information with better signal quality. For example, international telephone calls between Malaysia and other countries are transmitted through global fiber optic networks and submarine communications cable. The question is, why optical fiber? Optical fiber offers several advantages for telephone communication. It provides clearer voice and reduces signal distortion during transmission. It also allows long-distance communications with very little signal loss, which is known as attenuation. Today, most voice calls are converted into digital signals and transmitted through fiber optic networks before reaching the receiver, ensuring there are more reliable communications. Next is the mobile communication systems, including 4G and 5G networks. Although smartphones connect wirelessly to nearby cell towers, those towers are connected to each other through optical fiber networks. As mobile technology advances, there is an increasing demand for faster and more reliable data transmission. In Malaysia, Companies such as Telecom Malaysia, Maxis, and even CelcomDigi use extensive fiber optic infrastructure to support their 4G and 5G services. Optical fiber is essential for supporting modern mobile networks. It enables ultra-fast 5G speeds, handles massive amounts of data traffic, and provides low latency communication. These features are important for applications such as online gaming, autonomous vehicles, and also smart city technologies. In addition, optical fiber helps ensure stable network performance even when many users are connected at the same time. Another important application is in data centers. Data centers store and process enormous amounts of digital information. Every email, online transactions, cloud storage files, and social media activity depends solely on the data centers. Optical fiber is used both within and between data centers because it can transfer information rapidly and efficiently. Major technology companies such as Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and even Meta rely heavily on fiber optics networks to connect their global data centers. There are several reasons why data centers use optical fiber. First, it provides high-speed data transfer between servers. Second, it ensures reliable communication within the data center infrastructure. And third, it supports cloud computing service that millions of users access every day and even today. And finally, optical fiber helps reduce network congestions, allowing large amounts of data to be processed efficiently. One of the most important applications of optical fiber is submarine communication cables for the telecommunications. These cables are installed on the ocean floor and connect countries on continents around the world. According to Encyclopedia Britannica, approximately 95% of international communications are transmitted through undersea fiber optic cables, as you can see on the figure I've shown you. Examples include the Asia-America Gateway, or AAG, and even the CMEV cable systems, which connect Malaysia to many countries worldwide. These cables form the backbone of global internet and communication networks. Optical fiber is ideal for submarine communications cables because it supports extremely long-distance communication while maintaining high transmission speed. It also offers very high transmission capacity, allowing massive amounts of international data to be transferred every second. In addition, optical fiber provides reliable global internet connectivity, ensuring that countries remain connected through communication networks. Without these undersea fiber optic cables, modern global communication and internet service will not be accessible until now.
My name is Zahin, and today I will be presenting on the pivotal role of optical fiber in the telecommunication and broadcasting. We will look at why it has become the gold standard for data transmission and where this technology is heading in the near future. Let's start with the advantages. Why do we use optical fibers instead of traditional copper wire? There are four main reasons. First is high bandwidth. Optical fibers use light to transmit data, which allow them to carry a significantly larger volume of information compared to copper cables. Second, this lead directly to a faster transmission speed because we are literally transmitting data at the speed of light. Optical fiber effortlessly support high-speed internet and seamless real-time communication, which is crucial for everything from video calls to live broadcasting. Third, optical fibers suffer from low signal loss. In traditional cables, signals degrade quickly over distance. However, with optical fiber, light signal can travel incredibly long distance without major interruption, meaning the data arrive clear and intact without needing as many signal boosters. Finally, we have a better security because optical fiber transmit light rather than electrical currents. They do not radiate signal outward. This makes it extremely difficult to physically tap into the cables, making our communication network much more secure from interception. So, with all these advantages, what does the future hold? As the global demand for faster and more reliable communication system continues to skyrocket, optical fiber technology will only continue to grow. It is the fundamental backbone that will support our next generation of technological leaps. Specifically, Optical fiber will be essential for future applications such as the rollout of 6G communication network, which will require massive data capacities. Artificial intelligence system, which process enormous dataset in real time. Smart transportation, like autonomous vehicle that need instant lag-free communication with city infrastructure. Immersive experience like virtual reality and cloud computing. And finally, advanced broadcasting system allow for flawless 8K live streaming and beyond. In conclusion, optical fiber is not just a tool for today, it is the foundation for tomorrow's connectivity.
In conclusion, optical fiber has become revolutionized the way information is transmitted in the modern world. Its ability to provide fast, reliable, and high-capacity communication has made it an essential technology in both telecommunication and broadcasting. From supporting global internet networks and mobile communication to enabling high-quality live broadcasts, optical fiber play a vital role in connecting people and information across the world. As the demand for faster communication and advanced digital technologies continues to increase, the importance of optical fiber will become even greater. Therefore, optical fiber is not only the backbone of modern communication systems today, but also the foundation for future innovation that will shape the connected world of tomorrow. Thank you for your attention. That's all from us. Thanks for watching.